In this video, we are going to see that if we are trying to install any kind of game or application and you see this kind of error which says unarc.dll return an error code on Windows 11 or 10 computer, here's how we can resolve this. First of all, just go to the start menu and right here run, hit enter and just write temp here, write temp, click OK, and it would ask you for the permission. Just allow that, click on continue. And after that, I want you to delete all of these files or folders, whatever is in the temporary folder. Hold Ctrl A on your keyboard to select them all, Shift delete, and all of this should be cleared. You might need to try again a couple of times. And for anyone which is not able to skip, you can just skip it manually, and that's done. And after that, just close out of here and just go to the start menu and right here run again. And this time we will use the temp but with the percentage sign. So let's write percentage right at the back end and forward, and in the middle we will write temp, click OK, and here you will see a couple of more folders and files. Just select them all, Ctrl A and Shift and delete. So all of them should be removed. Some of the files will be occupied by the system, so it won't be able to delete it. Click on skip a couple of times, and let's click on try again and skip a couple of times, and you should be good to go. And after that, just restart your computer and the problem should be solved. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.